Hi there. Thanks for your comment. Yeah, I totally get it because I was there too. I wanted to find a training program, but I didn't want to have to jump through the hoops and hurdles, as you say, or upsold every time I turned around. So I was finding a bunch of information online, but I wasn't certain that it was teaching me how to set everything up the right way. But at the time that I joined, this program didn't exist. The program that I'm going to recommend to you. For less than the cost of a trip to the grocery store, you can actually have everything you need and feel confident that everything is set up properly and will give you the best chance to be successful. It's called the 12-Day Masterclass. And in 12 days, you can have your business up and running. There's no hoops, no hurdles. It has everything that you need, guaranteed. Plus, you'll get a few extras too. You'll have access to a Facebook group with other people that are in the program that you can bounce questions and ideas off of. The mentors are very active in these groups. Listen, this business is not as easy as some would make it seem. So in all truth, this is a great way to jumpstart your business. Because it takes so much time and effort, you want to make sure that you're setting everything up right from the get-go. Otherwise, you're going to cause yourself a whole lot more work. If you have any more questions, drop me another comment. Otherwise, I'd love for you to check out the link in my bio for the 12-Day Masterclass.